this is not working. For some reason, we're getting no power. This has never happened. So, David's scurrying to get another anchor. And I'm trying to hold it in place. Wish us luck. Okay, well, we have our stern anchor down off our bow. So until David can figure out what's going on with the windlass, that's what we got. And we just are concerned about swinging because there's not a whole lot of room. Okay, I think we're anchored. Yeah, and hopefully we'll sleep. We'll sleep okay. At least it's quiet, right? So I don't know. This is Tennessee River. We call this the Waterfall anchorage because look, there's a waterfall right there. And it's a pretty small anchorage. The water's down, but not too bad.